If you're looking for the best family SUV in 2025, you're in the right place. But here's the catch. Choosing the wrong one could mean endless repair costs, uncomfortable road trips, and a vehicle that doesn't hold its value. Not all SUVs are built the same. Some claim to be family-friendly, but struggle with reliability, while others offer the perfect balance of space, safety, and performance. So, which ones are actually worth your money? We've researched expert reviews, real owner feedback, and the latest safety ratings to bring you the top 5 family SUVs of 2025. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which SUV is the right choice for you, and which ones you should avoid. Let's start with an SUV that has dominated the rankings for years, the Kia Telluride. But does it really deserve its reputation? Let's find out. The Kia Telluride has been a fan favorite for years, and in 2025, it's proving once again why it dominates the family SUV market. If you're looking for a combination of space, reliability, and luxury without the luxury price tag, this might be your perfect match. But is it really as good as everyone says? One of the biggest reasons families love the Telluride is its spacious interior. With seating for up to 8 and generous legroom in both the second and third rows, long road trips no longer feel like a game of Tetris. Plus, the high-quality materials and premium finishes make it feel way more expensive than it actually is. It's the kind of SUV where you step inside and instantly feel like you got more than what you paid for. But here's where it really stands out: safety and technology. The 2025 model comes packed with standard driver assist features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a surround view camera. It even includes highway driving assist, which makes long-distance travel easier by keeping the car centered in its lane. And let's not forget Kia's excellent reliability track record, meaning you won't be stuck with endless repair bills down the road. Under the hood, the Telluride runs on a 291 horsepower V6 engine, delivering smooth acceleration and a comfortable ride. It's powerful enough for highway merging and weekend getaways, while still maintaining a decent fuel economy of 22 miles per gallon combined. Pretty solid for a 3-row SUV. Of course, no car is perfect. If you need a hybrid or an electric option, the Telluride won't be your best choice, since it only comes with a gas engine. And while it's packed with features, the starting price of $37,585 isn't the cheapest in its class. But when you compare it to SUVs that cost thousands more, it's clear that the Telluride is punching well above its weight. Bottom line, if you want an SUV that delivers luxury-level comfort, family-friendly practicality, and top-tier safety without breaking the bank, the Kia Telluride remains one of the best options in 2025. But if you need even more space or a hybrid alternative, you might want to consider our next SUV, the all-new Toyota Grand Highlander. And trust me, this one brings some serious upgrades. If you love the Toyota Highlander but always wished it had more space, Toyota has finally answered your call. The 2025 Toyota Grand Highlander takes everything great about the original Highlander and stretches it, literally, to offer even more room, more power, and more family-friendly features. But is it really the upgrade families have been waiting for? Let's start with what makes it grand: the interior. Unlike the regular Highlander, the Grand Highlander offers a third row that adults can actually use. No more squeezing into tight spaces or sacrificing legroom. In fact, this SUV provides 20.6 cubic feet of cargo space behind the third row, which is more than enough for luggage, groceries, or sports gear. Fold the seats down, and you get a massive 97.5 cubic feet of cargo capacity, making it one of the most spacious SUVs in its class. But space isn't the only thing Toyota improved. The powertrain options give you flexibility depending on your needs. You can choose between a 265 horsepower turbocharged four-cylinder engine, a hybrid model that delivers up to 36 miles per gallon, or the high-performance Hybrid Max, which pushes out 362 horsepower, perfect for families who want extra power without sacrificing efficiency. And of course, Toyota didn't cut corners on safety. The Grand Highlander comes with Toyota's Safety Sense 3.0, which includes adaptive cruise control, automatic emergency braking, lane keeping assist, and even a driver attention monitor. With a 5-star safety rating, this SUV is built to protect what matters most: your family. So, what's the catch? Well, with all these upgrades, the starting price is higher. At around $45,080, it's more expensive than some competitors. Also, while it's spacious, the design leans more towards comfort rather than sportiness. If you want something with a bit more performance edge, you might want to keep watching. But if you're looking for a family-friendly SUV with tons of space, hybrid efficiency, and Toyota's legendary reliability, the Grand Highlander is one of the best options in 2025. Up next, we have an SUV that might surprise you: the Chevrolet Traverse, which is bringing some major changes this year. Let's see if it's worth your attention. The 2025 Chevrolet Traverse is here, and it's making a bold statement. If you need a family SUV with tons of space, serious power, and a fresh new design, this might be your perfect match. But is it really better than its competitors, or is Chevy just playing catch-up? Let's start with what makes the new Traverse stand out: space and practicality. If cargo room is a priority, you'll love this SUV. It offers 22.9 cubic feet of cargo space behind the third row, and when you fold the seats down, you get a massive 98 cubic feet of storage, one of the largest in its class. That means whether it's a road trip, a Costco haul, or hauling sports gear, you'll have all the room you need. But Chevy didn't just focus on size. The 2025 Traverse gets a brand new turbocharged 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine, cranking out 328 horsepower. That's a big jump from previous models, making it one of the most powerful SUVs in this lineup. And with a 5,000-pound towing capacity, it's perfect for families who need a little extra muscle for trailers, boats, or campers. Technology and safety also see a major upgrade. Every trim level now comes with Chevy's latest driver assist features, including hands-free Super Cruise, a 10.2-inch touchscreen, and a full suite of collision avoidance tech. Plus, the Redline Edition adds a sporty touch with blacked-out accents and bold styling, giving it a more aggressive look than your typical family SUV. Of course, no SUV is perfect. The Traverse's fuel economy isn't the best, averaging around 20 miles per gallon combined, which is lower than hybrid competitors like the Toyota Grand Highlander. And while Chevy has improved its interior materials, it still doesn't quite match the upscale feel of the Kia Telluride. Starting at $41,995, it's competitively priced, but you'll have to decide if you prefer power over efficiency. So, should you consider the Traverse? If you want one of the biggest and most powerful three-row SUVs on the market, this is a strong contender. But if fuel efficiency is a priority, you may want to look elsewhere. Up next, we're diving into an SUV that's known for its reliability and ruggedness: the Nissan Pathfinder. But does it live up to its reputation in 2025? Let's find out. The 2025 Nissan Pathfinder is a name that's been around for decades, and it's built a reputation for being tough, spacious, and reliable. But with newer SUVs bringing more tech, luxury, and efficiency, does the Pathfinder still hold its ground in 2025, or is it falling behind? One thing Nissan got right is versatility. The Pathfinder seats up to 8 passengers comfortably, and while its 16.6 cubic feet of cargo space behind the third row is smaller than some competitors, it makes up for it with a class-leading towing capacity of up to 6,000 pounds. That means if you need to haul a trailer, boat, or camper, the Pathfinder outperforms most SUVs in this category. Under the hood, it's powered by a 284 horsepower 3.5-litre V6 engine, giving it a smooth and confident drive whether you're on the highway or off the beaten path. It also comes with an intelligent four-wheel drive system, making it a great option for families who need an SUV that can handle rough weather or weekend adventures. Nissan has also stepped up its game with technology and safety. The 2025 Pathfinder comes standard with Nissan's Pro Pilot Assist, which includes adaptive cruise control, lane centering, and traffic jam assist. Plus, the interior features a 9-inch touchscreen, wireless Apple CarPlay, and a full suite of driver assist features to make every drive easier and safer. But let's talk about the downsides. The Pathfinder's fuel economy is decent, but not groundbreaking, averaging 23 miles per gallon combined, which is lower than hybrid competitors. And while Nissan has upgraded the cabin materials, it still doesn't feel as premium as the Kia Telluride or Toyota Grand Highlander. The starting price of $38,460 makes it an affordable choice, but for just a little more, you might get better features elsewhere. So, is the 2025 Nissan Pathfinder the right SUV for your family? If you need strong towing power, off-road capability, and solid reliability, it's a great pick. But if you prioritize a luxurious interior or fuel efficiency, there are better options. Up next, we have an SUV that's been making waves for its stylish design and premium feel, the Volkswagen Atlas. But is it just good looks, or does it actually deliver? Let's find out. The 2025 Volkswagen Atlas is turning heads with its bold design, spacious interior, and premium feel. But does it offer more than just good looks? If you're looking for a family SUV that feels more upscale without the luxury price tag, this might be the one. But there are a few things you need to know before making a decision. First, let's talk about space, because the Atlas delivers in a big way. With 20.6 cubic feet of cargo space behind the third row and a maximum of 96.8 cubic feet with all seats folded, it's one of the roomiest SUVs in its class. Whether it's a road trip, school runs, or hauling furniture, the Atlas gives you plenty of flexibility. Plus, the third row is one of the most spacious on the market, meaning even adults can sit comfortably back there. But Volkswagen isn't just about space, it's also about premium comfort. The 2025 Atlas now comes with a fully digital cockpit, an upgraded 10.25-inch touchscreen, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and a 14-speaker Harman Kardon audio system in higher trims. Heated and ventilated seats come standard, and even the base model features high-quality materials that feel more luxurious than many of its rivals. Under the hood, the Atlas has switched to a 2.0-litre turbocharged 4-cylinder engine that produces 269 horsepower. While that's slightly less power than some competitors, it delivers a smooth and refined ride, perfect for families who value comfort over raw performance. And with an EPA estimated 22 miles per gallon combined, it offers decent fuel efficiency for a three-row SUV. But let's be real, it's not perfect. The biggest downside? Volkswagen's reliability record isn't as strong as Toyota or Honda. While the Atlas has improved over the years, some owners have reported minor electronic issues. Also, its towing capacity maxes out at 5,000 pounds, which is good, but not class-leading. The starting price of $39,625 puts it right in the middle of the pack, making it a solid choice for families who want something stylish, spacious, and packed with premium features. But is it the best overall SUV for your family? Now that we've covered the top 5 family SUVs of 2025, let's quickly recap the rankings and help you decide which one fits your needs best. Stay tuned for the final verdict. So there you have it, the top 5 best family SUVs of 2025. Each one brings something different to the table, and the right choice depends on what your family needs most. If you want a luxury feel without the luxury price tag, the Kia Telluride is still one of the best choices. If hybrid efficiency and extra space matter to you, the Toyota Grand Highlander is hard to beat. Need power and cargo space? The Chevrolet Traverse is a strong contender. If towing capacity and off-road reliability are a priority, the Nissan Pathfinder has you covered. And if you want a stylish premium SUV with a modern interior, the Volkswagen Atlas is worth considering. No SUV is perfect, but now you have the facts to make the best decision for your family. Which one would you pick? Drop a comment below and let us know your favorite. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit the like button. It really helps the channel. And if you want more in-depth car rankings, reviews, and expert advice, subscribe so you never miss an update. We've got more great content coming soon.